Thanks everybody for clicking on this link for our 310 SLX over here at MarineMax in Jacksonville. My name's Larry and I'm going to take you through this brand new 2024 from Sea Ray. This is a real sporty boat, tons of space, great for entertaining, and it's got incredible power. That's, if you like sports cars, this is going to be a great option for you. We're going to start with the power plants. These are twin Mercury 400 horsepower V10 engines with joystick piloting. We'll go over that more at the helm, but what I can tell you is you're going to reach speeds of over 50 miles an hour comfortably and easily with this power combination. Looking at the back of the boat, we've got this awesome sun lounger here with a remote stereo control system. This lifts up and you've got tremendous storage underneath for all your life jackets, big bulky gear, things like that. As we step into the cockpit, one of the things we're going to pass is this pull-out freshwater shower, which is great for rinsing off when you're at the sandbar. Very convenient. There's a cockpit step here that folds down, so if you're at a dock, you've got an easy way to step into the boat, nice and convenient as well. You'll notice the flooring in this boat is Sea Deck, which matches the interior and exterior color scheme. And now we've got this huge seating area. Being that the boat is yacht certified, you don't have a limit on the number of passengers as long as everyone has a life jacket on board. Just want to take a look at a couple entertainment features. We've got this refrigerator here to keep your cold items nice and chilled. And then we've got a neat little entertainment bar here that you can lift up, keep dry snacks and whatnot. This is an insulated cooler to keep some drinks close at hand, and a freshwater sink here as well. This boat's also available with an optional grill at the entertainment bar. Taking a look at the cockpit as we move forward, you'll notice that the passenger seat on the port side does swivel so that we can converse with people and family and friends in the cockpit. And then when you're ready to run, spins around, locks in place, and now we're ready to roll on this boat. We're going to take a look at the helm station here, which is really ergonomically designed and very modernized. We've got two 12-inch displays from Simrad, which provide us GPS, sonar, and all of our lighting in the boat, and also our audio can be controlled from the Simrad screens, which is a really neat feature. The other thing you'll notice is the joystick for the engines. This boat is extremely nimble at the dock. We can move it sideways, diagonally, anywhere you're in a tight spot. You're going to use that joystick control and it's going to be a pleasure to use. It also incorporates a built-in autopilot as well as Skyhook, which is a virtual anchor. Holds the boat in position while you're by yourself. You can get your dock lines and fenders out. It's like having an extra crew member on board at all times. The boat has power steering, digital controls, extremely easy and comfortable to handle this boat. Right up above us, we've got the sunroof open right now. When you want to let in a lot of sunlight or get a nice breeze flowing through, we open that up. It's going to close real easily. Just come forward and latches, and now you've got a lot more shade. The 310 SLX from Sea Ray comes with a full marine head with dockside and overboard discharge, a freshwater seat, sink, and lighting inside. Moving forward to the bow, we're going to see some really nice, comfortable lounge seating. One of the things that makes Sea Ray very unique is how deep the seating is inside the boat. You feel like you're sitting inside as opposed to on top of the boat. Very comfortable, complete with armrests, cup holders. We have indirect lighting all throughout the boat underneath the seats. This boat is equipped with a windlass power anchor that we can operate from the helm or controls here forward as well. This boat also has a freshwater shower at the bow. So you've got one here at the bow and also at the stern. Very convenient when you're at the sandbar. And when you're out at night, this boat is equipped with a spotlight that is remote controlled. Great for pulling into the marina in the dark and giving you some extra illumination. If you've got any questions about this boat or would like a sea trial, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thanks again for visiting MarineMax.